Hello. Today I'll be talking about sharks. Sharks have been around for millions of years and are one of the deadliest creatures on Earth. They are considered one of the strongest apex predators. Um, One cool fact about sharks is their jaws can unhinge so that they can eat larger prey than what their jaws typically would allow. Sharks can track large prey by following their low pitched sounds, and they can smell blood and water from miles away. They also have an extra two senses, which allow them to sense electrical fields and vibrations in the water. So the slightest movement they can detect from super far away. Once a shark has sensed a prey, it uses its incredibly strong tail to propel itself through the water. Sharks deftly maneuver through the water by adjusting the angle of their fins. Sharks don't have a swim bladder like most other fish, so they regulate their vertical position by moving forward. Sharks never stop moving.